Hello and thanks for joining us this Tuesday for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial headlines.
Amazon stock rose 2.9% on Monday to $233.05, as investor optimism over its AI expansion and analyst upgrades outweighed concerns from a legal setback. In regular trading on Monday, the Dow Jones rose 1.2%, the S&P 500 gained 0.6%, and the Nasdaq Composite rose 0.7%, led by energy and financial stocks. U.S. natural gas futures traded at around $3.40 per million British thermal units, hitting their lowest level since late October, pressured by forecasts pointing to warmer temperatures. The British pound traded above $1.35 this Tuesday, the highest since September, as investors focused on diverging interest rate outlooks between the Bank of England and the Federal Reserve. Ether traded at around $3,200, gaining plus 2.7% in the past 24 hours, as institutional accumulation and staking tightened supply, while optimism around upcoming network upgrades boosted investor sentiment. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 1 p.m., the annual inflation rate in Germany is expected to decrease, after reaching 2.3% in November. At 9:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the crude oil stock change of January 2nd, following 1.7 million barrels in the week ending December 26. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 3 p.m., the U.S. to release the Services Purchasing Managers Index for December, following 52.6 in November. At 3 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the number of job openings of November, following 7,670,000 in October.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.